How to upload video on TikTok from gallery. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to upload videos on TikTok from the gallery. So first of all, what you need to do is open up your TikTok application. Now, the upload option is located in the middle of the selections, while the list of possible options is located at the bottom of the page. Now, you have to decide which videos you want to post. After that, tap on the next option. Now, there will also be a settings option at the bottom. Further, additional tools such as stickers, text editing in your video, filters, and effects are also available. Now, you can include stickers with voice if necessary. Next, proceed to the next choice after adjusting the video settings. Once you are done with this, tap on the chosen choice. So this is how you can upload videos on TikTok from the gallery. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.